So Phil, we're here at the DMG Mori Open House. Where did this relationship begin?
Well, it started really with our parent company in Germany. We're a big user of DMG Mori machine tools. We have 3 machines in our tech centre, and it's a great partnership worldwide.
So here at the Open House, it's about productivity, it's about they want to push their machine tools. Where do you fit in the puzzle?
Well, we really sit with the interface between the machine tool and the cutting tool. There's obviously great cutting tool producers in the world, as we are, but without the correct interface between the two, then the whole chain, if you like, is broken down.
Yeah, and it's fair to say with all this equipment, you're looking after the machine tool, you're balancing the tool and you're presetting it, you're shrinking.
Yeah, I mean, all of our tool holders are pre-balanced to G2.5, 25,000. Of course, once we put the tool inside, then we have to re-correct the balance. And we do that through our tool dynamic machine, which really gives the perfect running and a consistent performance.
And I've seen some of your tool holders around the shop floor here. They're well thought of here at DMG Mori.
I think so. There's a lot of applications where we're being used, and it really gives a great result on the workpiece.